Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to give admin access to GitHub. This is essential when you're working on a project with your team and need to grant someone full control over a repository. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your GitHub dashboard. This is where all your repositories and projects are managed. Now that you're in your dashboard, look over to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Navigate through this list and click on the specific repository where you want to give admin access. Selecting the right repository is crucial since admin permissions are granted on a per repository basis. Once you're inside the repository, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on the Settings tab. This tab houses all the configuration options for your repository, including access controls and permissions management. After clicking Settings, you'll notice a left panel with various options. In this panel, locate and click on Collaborators. This section is specifically designed for managing who has access to your repository and what level of permissions they hold. Within the Collaborators section, you'll see a button labeled Add People. Click on this button to begin the process of inviting someone to collaborate on your repository. This opens up a search field where you can specify who you want to add. In the search field that appears, type in the GitHub username or email address of the person you wish to grant admin access to. GitHub will search through its user database and display matching accounts. Make sure you select the correct person to avoid granting access to the wrong individual. Once you've identified the right person, click the Add button. This action sends an invitation to that user, granting them admin access to your repository once they accept. With admin privileges, they'll have full control over the repository, including the ability to manage settings, merge pull requests, and modify access for other collaborators. And there you have it. You've successfully given admin access to someone on GitHub, allowing them to fully collaborate and manage your repository alongside you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.